Did you know that globally there are estimated 4.5 billion credit cards in circulation? Quite the number, right? Hello, and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Understanding How Credit Cards Work. This video will help you grasp the mechanics of credit cards, and how to use them correctly. Credit cards, in their simplest form, are a type of loan. When you use a credit card to make a purchase, you are essentially borrowing money from the credit card issuer, with the promise to pay it back. How and when you pay it back will determine if and how much interest you owe. Credit cards come with a credit limit. This is the maximum amount of money you can borrow. They also carry an interest rate, usually presented as an annual percentage rate or APR, which is the cost of borrowing money. If your balance isn't paid off in full each month, you'll accrue interest on the remaining amount. The higher the APR, the more interest you'll pay. Every month, you'll receive a credit card statement. This document details your purchases, payments, fees if any, and the remaining, or outstanding balance. It also indicates the minimum payment required to avoid late fees. It is best to pay more than the minimum whenever possible to reduce your balance and limit the amount of interest accrued. A credit card can be a valuable financial tool when used responsibly. They can help build your credit score, offer rewards, and provide a safety net during financial emergencies. But be careful, because misuse of credit cards can lead to high interest payments and debt. Stay wise, spend smartly, and reap the benefits of credit cards.